Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can make a new primary email on Facebook. It's a simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your mobile version of Facebook. It is easier on the mobile version rather than the PC version. So once you're in here, you have logged in into your mobile account. Just tap on the bottom right corner to go into menu. Once you're in here, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings again. And once you're in here, you scroll down and tap on profile details. Under here you'll see an option where it says contact info. Just click on edit. Under here you can see that there are these options. Click on manage contact info, and over here you can see that I have this email associated with this Facebook account. Now if I want to change the setting wherein I want to make this a non-primary account, I will have to add a new account. So yeah, as you can see, this is my primary email address. There is nothing else out here. So yeah, now I want you to add another email to your account. Just click on add email address. Once you've put in the new email address, tap on add email address. And once you do that, it will ask you to confirm that email. Now this is going to be a very simple process. All you have to do is go into your Gmail account. As you can see, I've got the notification already. So as you can see, I have put in the code. I have tapped on confirm. So you will have to make sure that you confirm the new email account, otherwise you will not be able to make it into a primary account. So you can see the Kufi Muzdoc 3 account is a new account that I added. If I want to make this into my primary account, just tap on the arrow button and you can see an option where it says make primary. Just tap on make primary. And that's it. Now this has been converted into my primary account. Just remove the Facebook application for now, reload the application, and I'll show you guys where the setting has now changed. Just go back to your profile information, which you can do by clicking on profile details, clicking on edit contact info, clicking on manage contact info, and under here you can see that the newly added email is now the primary email address. I can even remove the older email just by tapping on it and clicking on remove. That's it. Now I just added a new email, made it into my primary email, and I also removed my old email. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.